Prynhawn da, good afternoon and welcome. At least it's the afternoon when I'm recording this. This is Benjamin, and today I thought I would give you a lesson in Welsh that I think is important for many learners because I see this mistake. And that's, in English, the word to reflect. There's one word that can convey two meanings in English, but we don't do this in Welsh, and let's sort out what I mean by that in this video. In English, you can reflect an image onto a wall. Or you can go and reflect on what you've done. In Welsh, we have two different words. Myfyrio, to contemplate, to meditate. Adlewyrchu, to reflect on a surface. Okay? Now let's go through and explain what these two words, where they come from. So, myfyr is meditation, contemplation. Myfyrdod is more the essence of meditation, a contemplation. Myfyrwyr are students. Myfyrgar, studious. And this is purely mental. Myfyrio are, to think on something, to contemplate something, to reflect mentally upon something, but it's not a reflection to us. It's kind of a hovering upon a subject. Bues i'n myfyrio ar stryd fy mhlentindod. I had been meditating upon or contemplating upon the street of my childhood, kind of insinuating where I grew up. Efallai dylai ti myfyrio ar beth ti wedi wneud. Perhaps you should meditate on what you have done. But it is, in a sense, different from meddwl, to think. We would say meddwl more often. Myfyrio is deeper than to think about what you've done. That would insinuate there's a bit of guilt possibly there. Or you need to think about the cause and effect of what you did. But adlewyrchu, to reflect, this has different elements to it. It comes from llewyrchus, means bright and brilliant, lustrous, but also prosperous. The core root of that is lle, which was the older word for light in Welsh. It became over time gole, and then goli. You still see it today in words like llewyrchus and lleuad, moon. But the ad bit, that's like ri, but we have two words for ri in Welsh, which have slightly different meanings as well. So ail wneud is to redo, but adlam is a drop kick or a rebound. The ad bit suggests that there's a surface element there that it's up against. Adlewyrchu, rebounding brightness. So in this word there's two elements insinuating a surface. Twice, because there's two images in a reflection. The word for reaction has this, adwaith. It's a rebounding element. So, to reflect on something, that would not go with that at all. It would be more of the opposite of what it meant to us. And so I hope that short explanation explains that. So In yr helwen roedd ei wyneb yn adlewyrchu ar y ffenestr. In the sunshine his face was reflecting upon the window. It's a surface element, purely. And that's a very quick one. I just wanted to get that out of the way because I have seen that mistake. And if you'd like more short, contextual lessons like this, please let me know because they're fun to do and I hope that I'm helping you. And they're quick to do. Diolch yn fawr.